Here we go. Nice Sunday service train. Huh?
Is it fast?
No. Is it a 4-carriage, you think? Yeah, it usually is on a Sunday. Usually more 4s, aren't they? We've got an hour for the other one on the other platform.
Oh, come on.
Hey? Got an hour, yeah, for the other one. Hey? 4, yeah. 4. Hey? Huh? Yeah. Hey? Yeah, he's going already now.
Huh?
Say bye then. Wait. Yeah, ask. No, go on. Say wave.
No,
No, you can't.
come on.
Come on. What? No, come on. Okay, it's going now. Oh, it's got more. Well, wave then. Wave by then. There you go. Oh, it's got more than 4 carriages. Oh, look at that. Look. That's 1 set. 2. Oh, look. Oh, it's very rare you see a 6-carriage, one of those.
Yeah, but we can't.
That's 3 times 158's. But the back 2 weren't in use though because the buttons are red.
Hey.
Right, Conan, we've got an hour until wait for the next one.
How many carriages was that?
That was 6. It was that long. That was that long. You only get 4 carriages in this bit. Well, if the station was like fully in use, then you would fit 6. Yeah, it's very, very rare you see
Yeah, very loud.
3 of them coupled up together. Right, come on, let's go down the canal because
the lady didn't even do the hum.
we'll go down the canal because yeah, we got 50 minutes for the next one. Yeah, Conan.